Newborn babies per day birth rate by country in 2024. Like in Barbados, per day birth rate 8 kids. In Iceland, 12 kids. In Brunei, 16 kids. In Maldives, 18 kids. In Bhutan, 26 kids. In Bahrain, 45. In Qatar, 65. In Armenia, 86. In Kuwait, 109. In Hong Kong, 113. In Singapore, 116. In Finland, 129. In Norway, 149. In Ireland, 155. In New Zealand, 175. In Denmark, 178. In Mongolia, 183. In Greece, 208. In Portugal, 217. In Oman, 217. In Austria, 230. In Switzerland, 235. In UAE, 251. In Hungary, 287. In Sweden, 311. In Belgium, 320. In Azerbaijan, 330. In Palestine, 401. In Israel, 478. In Netherlands, 499. In Ukraine, 505 kids. In Taiwan, 511. In Romania, 586. In Chile, 619. In South Korea, 788. In Sri Lanka, 816 kids. In Australia, 826 kids. In North Korea, 927 kids. In Spain, 964. In Canada, 1040 kids. In Italy, 1112. In Burundi, 1213 kids. In Venezuela, 1246. In Zimbabwe, 1352. In Malaysia, 1389 kids. In Saudi Arabia, 1662. In Nepal, 1680. In Thailand, 1709 kids. In Argentina, 1711 kids. In France, 1839 kids. In UK, 1856 kids. In Colombia, 1957. In Germany, 2068. In Somalia, 2122 kids. In Japan, 2229 kids. In Algeria, 2453 kids. In Ghana, 2492 kids. In Myanmar, 2493 kids. In Cameroon, 2651 kids. In Yemen, 2771 kids. In South Africa, 3125 kids. In Iran, 3136 kids. In Mozambique, 3309 kids. In Turkey, 3326 kids. In Iraq, 3331 kids. In Russia, 3768. In Vietnam, 3,887. In Afghanistan, 3,998. In Kenya, 4,118. In Sudan, 4,291. In Uganda, 4,737. In Mexico, 5,088. In Tanzania, 6,533 kids. In Egypt, 6,710. Ranked on number 10, Philippines, 6,850 kids. Ranked on number 9, Brazil, 7,396 kids. Number 8, Bangladesh, 8,185 kids. Ranked on number 7, USA, 10,261 kids. Number 6, Ethiopia, 10,862 kids. Number 5, Indonesia, 12,148. Number 4, Pakistan, 17,733. Number 3, Nigeria, 22,216. Number 2nd, China, 29,205 kids. And last one is India, per day birth rate 63,169 kids. So please subscribe my channel.